everyone, this is Mohammad Saqib, your chemistry teacher. Welcome to our channel where you will get a mastery of your concept within a few minutes. So without further ado, let's start. Today we are going to talk about speed of reaction, rate of reaction. This is very applied topic and it is very favorite topic of the examiner as well. You can see question from this topic each year. Rate of reaction means how quickly the reactant is converting into product. Okay? How faster or slower the reaction is. This is called rate of reaction. And to determine the rate of reaction, you need to know number one, how much time it is taking place and how much change takes place in that time. For example, in this case, you are measuring a gas syringe, and you have a stopwatch. So you will collect the data for your experiment. Like in first second, like in half minute, you got 8, and then in next half minute you got 14, and so on. And so you can look at this data. After 5 minutes, you can see no change in the data. Mean after 5 minutes, the reading of volume or the volume is constant at 40. Means the reaction is completed now. Okay. When your change becomes constant, mean the reaction has been completed. We can plot this data on graph, and then we will measure the rate of this reaction. Like you have time on one axis and volume on the other axis, and look at the plot. You get a very sharp increase, and then your curve becomes smooth. When the line becomes straight, at that point, reaction completes. Okay, when there is no change in the volume. So this line tells us about the rate of reaction. When the gradient is higher the gradient mean more the rate of reaction. Then slow gradient mean that rate of reaction is getting slow, and zero gradient mean when the line becomes constant means the rate of reaction is zero, means the reaction has been completed. If you look at this, how what is the overall rate of reaction? So total change divided by total time mean total change or total volume calculated was 40 divided by total time 5, and the total overall rate of reaction is 8 cm cube of hydrogen per minute. You got the answer. We can also measure the same thing by changing the experiment. Mean in this experiment there are reactant in the flask and gas is coming out. We have put cotton wool on the bug, and this cotton wool allows gas to escape slowly. Okay, so with the passage of time, the mass of this content will decrease. So we will now measure the change in mass. Mean um, after suppose when the experiment start, there was 100 mass, 100 gram, and after 10 seconds 90, and then after 10 seconds 80, and then 70, and then 60, and then the mass became constant. So you can see in this case the graph will be like this, mean the mass is decreasing, and then it becomes constant. Okay, when the line when the graph will become constant, at that point mean the reaction has completed. Okay, hope you got this. Thank you.